Keep going. He likes broccoli.
I gotta get a shot of that.
Want some more broccoli?
If you can get him in his mouth like that again.
Did you see me with the geckos?
Yes, I did. That was great.
Can you? I told Diana last night.
Gotta have your greens.
The photos that are taken when I am with her or thinking about her seem to be much cuter than average.
That was insane.
You are ridiculous. Are you the silliest kid ever?
Yeah, I think he is.